Hi everyone, welcome to LearnerInfinity channel. I hope you enjoyed the previous videos on line chart and bar chart. Both videos are related to visualizing time series data. If you have not seen those videos, you can click the links on the description below. The last bar chart we made is related to coronavirus data on a worldwide total, meaning we add all the number of cases from 264 rows or location and visualize it with this chart. This time, we'll make bar chart per country data and analyze it. Watching the video till the very end is a great help. So guys, stay tuned. This data is related to confirmed cases of coronavirus infections. This is basically presented by country, though some countries are presented with provinces or states. The next two columns are useful in creating map. Our time series data starts with January 22 and ends with middle of April. On the second worksheet, we copied data of few countries like US, Italy, and France. Going back to original data, China is presented by provinces. Total cases of the whole China itself was computed, and that total was copied on the second worksheet. To make bar chart for US, select the country region header and the name of the country. Select also all the dates and the numbers. Go to Insert. Then under bar chart, select clustered column chart. Let's move the chart to the right. As you see, it's automatically created its chart title. The series of dates is in x-axis and the number of cases is in y-axis. To change the design of the chart, make sure you are in chart design, then click this arrow. There are 16 designs to choose from. This time, select the 9th design. Now, how about making bar chart for Italy? Do we need to start from scratch? There's an easy way. Click the chart, right-click the mouse, click copy, go to a certain cell, then paste. The result is just the duplicate of the previous chart. To have chart for Italy, click the chart area, right-click the mouse, click select data. Then data source box will emerge. Above is the data range. Under legend entries, click edit. The series name have absolute reference to cell A2, which is the US. Since we'll make chart for Italy, click the cell of Italy. The series name will change its absolute reference to cell A3. Change the series values into absolute reference of D3 to CI3. Click OK. There are changes in chart data ranges and the legend entries. Again, click OK. Go to the right and you will see the proper bar chart for Italy with different title and numbers. Copy the bar chart of Italy and paste it below US. Click the chart area and click select data. Click edit. Change the series name to France. Change the series values for France. Click OK, then click OK again. Now you have bar chart for France. To create bar chart for China, do the same steps by going to select data. Edit the legend entries, change the series name as well as the series values. And of course, a few OKs. Now you have bar charts of 4 different countries. Finally, it's time for us to analyze the data. All countries have rising coronavirus cases. However, they show different patterns. US suddenly has a steep rise of cases. It has almost the same patterns with United Kingdom and Belgium. Italy has a curvy pattern. It has almost the same appearance with Germany. France has a unique pattern on its own with sudden increase on April 11. China has a flat pattern by middle of February. It has almost the same appearance with South Korea. That's it, guys. You learn another way of visualizing time series data. I will highly appreciate your like, share, and comment. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Watch more videos on time series data visualization by clicking these in screens. Thanks for watching.